Hi everyone, welcome to your channel, SoloWebWiz, where I share web development tips, tools, and tutorials to help you level up your coding skills. In today's video, we are to look at some of the essential VS Code extensions and shortcuts that can seriously boost your productivity. Whether you are a beginner, an experienced developer, these tips will save your time and your time process more. Let's dive in. Why VS Code? It's one of the most popular code editors out there, and for good reason. It's lightweight, high customizable, and has a massive library of extensions that can help you tailor it exactly to your needs. Plus, it's free and works on all platforms, so no matter whether you're Windows, macOS, or Linux, you can just jump right in. If you are not using VS Code yet, trust me, it's worth a try. VS Code stands for Visual Studio Code. It's the environment where we are working as developers and coders. So here is all the code base that you will type in. I want you to go to the left bar now and click on the extensions, the list option. Search for prettier extension, and here we go. It's the first one. Click on it. Prettier is an opinionated code format, which means it's automatically formats your code according to consistent rules, whether it's JavaScript, HTML, or CSS. Prettier ensures your code looks clean and readable. You can just install from here. I already installed. Once you install, I can show you a demo now immediately how it works. Here we go. This is our code before the installation of Prettier, and this is after. It's just a one block. It's like a function. Insert an HTML button inside. So one of the reasons this is essential that it saves your hassle of manual code, your code. Just hit save in macOS is just you can press on the button Command S, or if you are on Windows, you can just press Control S on your keyboard. So it's saved once you save, and Prettier does the rest for you. So you can focus on the logic of your code rather than worry about indentation or spacing. There we go. It will make it so pretty and so easy to read, and you can follow along. It's live server. Just search live server there in the search box in the extensions. Server. There we go. It's the first one, extension. Click on it, and it will pop up your extensions. You can start from here. And what is live server? It's the extension. It's must have if you are working on web projects. It launches a local development server with live reload, which means every time you save your file, the browser will automatically refresh. Here is a demo how it works. Here is your code base and your editor, and here is the web browser that you every time you refresh from here. Exactly, yes. So no more switching back and forth between your editor and the browser to get refresh. It saves you a lot of time, keeps your workflow uninterrupted. Let's move on to our next extension. Search in the extension box for Git Lance. Here we go. It's the first one. Click on it. It is. I already installed, so you can just press the button install here. And if you wanted to check the documentation, it's all about here how to start it step by step, and what's the prerequisites to use it, and many features of it. But in conclusion, for those of you using Git, GitLance is a game changer. It provides detailed insights into your Git repository. You can see how last modified a line of code, check commit history, and even compare code changes side by side. It's like having superpowers for version control right inside your editor. If you are collaborating on projects, this extension is must. Example here is provides historical context about line change through bulleted blame annotation at the end of the current inline and on the state bar. Now it's time to talk about one of my favorite extensions in VS Code. It's called Spell Checker. This extension is a simple but effective tool that helps you avoid embarrassing typos in your code or commands. It highlights spelling mistakes and offers suggestions for correction. It's a simple but powerful tool to keep your code professional. Here we go. It is a demo how it works. It is a variable declared with the constant, and there is a command with the spelling. We started. Yeah, it's highlighted underline. It's underline highlights. Yeah, it's highlights underline, and it will notice you that this word is mistaken. And also it's supported for many languages. And whatever your tongue language, you can just select it and start coding right away in your favorite language. Our final extension is a big one, GitHub Copilot. Copilot it's like having an AI powered coding assistant right inside your editor. It helps you write code faster by suggesting complete lines or blocks of code based on the context of what you are writing. Whether you are working on a complex algorithm or need a quick function, Copilot can suggest smart and efficient code snippets. It's trained on a vast amount of code from open source projects and can help you stay productive, especially when you hit a block or need to code something repetitive. It's not perfect, and you will still want to review the suggestions, but it's a powerful tool for boosting your efficiency and creativity in coding. For the beginners, please pay attention to this tool, but don't rely too much to it because it will be down in your career path. Okay, this is the part 2 from our video. It's about the top shortcuts. Now let's look at some essential VS Code shortcuts that will speed up your workflow. These shortcuts helps you navigate through your projects faster and spend less time on repetitive tasks. The first one, it will be the Control P. This one, it allows you to quickly, it's like that. This one, it allows you to quickly open any file in your project. Just press the Control P and start typing whatever the file's name. VS Code will find it instantly for you. Example like index HTML. This one. There we go. Our next shortcuts, it's duplicate line. When we, for example, wanted to duplicate this line of code, we can press the Alt, Shift, down or up. It's like that or like that, and whatever down or up you wanted to copy this line of code and duplicate it. And the next one, the next extension is the Control D. The Control D, it selects all the similar names that it's selected. For example, like the points, and whoever defines the points in your code, he will select it, and you can change it once for all. It's like that. Okay, we are arrived to the end of the video. So there you have it, some of the best VS Code extensions and shortcuts to make your life as a developer a lot easier. By using these tools, you can streamline your workflow, write cleaner code, and save a ton of time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more web development tips and tutorials. I've got a lot more content planned, so hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, happy coding.